How can I check a username on Instagram? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Instagram, right? So here on Instagram, they basically have the name and they have the username, right? Here on Instagram, the username is, will I say, like what used to come out here well enough, right? So this is Tayo Aina. He's a traveler, right? So his username is Tayo Aina Films, right? His real name is, like, his main name is Tayo Aina. So if I click on my profile right now, you're gonna see this is my username, right? This is how you can check your username. I think the username is the name that appears on everybody's profile, right? And the one that appears on that should be the person's name, right? This is my name. This is my username, right? This is my username. Yeah, this is my username. This is my name. So this is basically how you can do this. If you still head over to Instagram, there's still other posts, right? There's still other creators. Let me say Yami Yamal, right? So if I click on his this thing is his username, right? The name that usually appears first is the username, then the other name on his profile is his main name. So this is basically how you can check your username on Instagram. If you find this video, please share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching throughout. See you in the very next video.